Troy Bilt 2,700 pounds per square inch ready start pressure washer won't start. Was running and shut it off and now it won't start.
Hello, I'm PopDaddy, and I want to assist you in your DIY project. Let's figure out your challenge today. Does your unit have a low oil sensor? Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
Yes, it does. But I checked the oil and it is at the proper level.
Have you determined if there is a spark? Pull the spark plug and hold it against an unpainted part of the engine block and have a helper pull it through, and spark should be bright blue. PopDaddy 41089.90353090028.
I pulled the plug and reconnected it to the plug wire and grounded it to the exhaust, and there is a yellow/white spark when I pull the starter cord.
How old is your unit, and does it get a lot of use?
The unit is 2 years old. It gets used on average every 2 months for driveway cleaning and boat cleaning. During fishing season, now, it gets used every other weekend. Smile note that the unit had warranty work done on the pump last October. But nothing to the engine.
I would check your on/off switch for continuity, and replace the spark plug. The spark sounds a bit weak and it may have worn away the electrode in the center enough to where the coil is straining to produce enough spark. I would also try a few drops of gas put directly into the cylinder. Please do not use starting fluid, through the spark plug hole, and try starting. PopDaddy 41089.91582584449.
I was positive I replaced the plug in January. But that did it. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.